Hey dudes, how's it going? Welcome to Resident Evil 4's remake. This is the chainsaw demo. We're gonna be checking it out for the first time. That was loud, jeez. Actually, I think it'll be fine. Just check some stuff real quick. But yeah, this is the chainsaw demo for Resident Evil 4 for the remake. So we're gonna be trying out for the first time and seeing how things go. See what this game has to offer for its demo. Let's begin. I am very curious to see how they do this. We're like in the middle of our RE4 Let's Play too. Getting ready for this game.
September 30th, 1998. It's a day I'll never forget. The cop inside me died that day. And that night, Raccoon City was wiped out, thanks to the bioweapons created by Umbrella. Somehow I made it out, but too many others weren't so lucky. I was asked later to join a top-secret government program. Not that I had a choice. The training, punishing missions, nearly killed me. But at least I kept my mind off everything. If I could just forget what happened that night. The pain, even for a second. This time, it can be different. It has to.
6 years since Leon S. Kennedy survived the Raccoon City incidents, an unprecedented biological catastrophe caused by the Umbrella Corporation. Having distinguished, him, having distinguished himself as a U.S. special agent, he is tasked with locating the president's missing daughter. The search has brought him to an isolated village in Europe, where intel suggests the kidnapped girl was last sighted. Even Leon's past trauma could not prepare him for the nightmare, the insanity he would find there. Awesome. This looks... my god. See what has taken so long. Oh, nothing in there. Interesting. Whoops. So this is like a modern remake of Resident Evil 4. And a lot of people are excited for this game. And seeing how this game looks, my god. It looks gorgeous. I like the vibes I'm getting. Oh. Jeez, that was weird. Turning the camera like that. It's been a while since I've actually played like a remake of a Resident Evil game. I think the last one I played was RE2. Oop, I guess I can't go that way. It's weird to sprint. Yeah.
How far could he have gone?
Ooh, gone. Ooh, the lighting is very nice. Oh, a dead deer. Lovely. Oh, cool. Yes, I want a close-up inspection of that. Damn. I hear you, Leon. Game brushes is not easy. Crouching? Alright. This interesting. God damn, this game looks gorgeous. I'm just taken away by this. But god damn. Such a jarring difference between this and like the vanilla game. The regular Resident Evil 4. Are we gonna do like the whole house intro and everything? Let's sneak in. Squeak.
Anyone home?
Yes, that's what you shout. Oh, right bumper turn around? That's weird. Yeah, I'm just gonna get used to whatever control they give me. I wonder if there's any like secrets or anything in this one. Like it did in 7. Oh jeez. I didn't mean to bash in there. Kick the door down. Neat. Wait, what's that say? They're in all... Really go? This. Yeah, why do we have to run into a random house? Because why not? This is around here. It's weird. It feels weird to sprint. Maybe that's just me. It's weird to just go on a full-on sprint like that. Oh, I should check the other door. Shoot. Obviously, I'm only gonna be able to show what I see for first demo playthrough. Buddy?
Sorry to barge in like this.
Yeah, I'm just wandering in your house.
Policia. Vino aquí?
Damn, Leon looks good. I'm jealous of that jacket. It's us. Okay. Nice kick. See, that hasn't changed. Yeah. Sounded fun up there. Hunter's Lodge key. We got a gun now. It's gonna feel weird not to pop up a menu in this game and be like, oh yeah. You just eating animals down here? That's D-pad, okay.
Man, that stinks.
Yeah, it looks really gross, whatever the hell he was cooking up. Hold on, can I go back to that door? Ooh. Oh, this is just a badge. National Police Corps. Mario. Oh no, not Mario. Mamma mia. Oh, okay. We had to go in here first. Oh, they're not doing the flashlight around this belt? Down here. Jeez. I'm really liking the detail in this. It's definitely turn up the creep factor in this.
Hey.
For one.
I read you. What's your situation?
He sounds like he's having a fun time.
What the hell's going on?
A lot of bad stuff's happening, Leon. You're not gonna like it. Thanks for that. Ready and shoot?
What was that?
I think I just walked right back out. Yes, I did. Anything else here? Besides him? Yeah, interesting. They're doing all these like close-ups and stuff. You know what? I think I'm remembering the sprint now from RE2's remake. I think they did do that for that game too. Hello.
No fucking way.
Oh boy. Get off of me. I don't like any of that. Oh, nice. Right, first aid spray. I like how they kept the suitcase. And crafting. Neat. Oh. Okay, map. Gotcha. Let me deal with what I gotta deal with at first and stop crouching. Grr. Come on. Ooh, that was a bit messy.
It's getting worse.
I'm getting used to the new controls too. That's Gonna take me a minute to get used to it. Going from like 2 different games. Or 2 different of the same games, just 2 different versions. I don't know. Oh boy. I can't craft ammo, can I? No, I got none of that. Interesting. Right then. You gonna come back around? Gonna go this way. Bit of stealth too, interesting. Got loot. A herb. Take that with me. As I slink myself right upstairs. Not alerting this man. Anything over here? Nope. Oh, this is a whole thing. Ashley.
Bruce. This is Condor 1.
Hunnigan here. What's your sit rep?
Yeah, Hunnigan.
Baby Eagle. It's likely she's in this village.
Our intel was correct then. Well done.
Need a location on a nearby lake. She may have been taken there.
Copy that. I'll see what I can find.
Hurry up.
Something's happened to the people here. My escorts are.
Jeez.
Gotta go. Talk later.
Alright then.
I'll let myself out.
Nice. What, you can't do that either? That was very quick moving, jeez. Head for the lake, alright. I'm liking what they're doing with this. It's definitely much different. Oh, is this the bridge to the village? Sick. Definitely give me a fall vibe out here. That's a big ass crow. I'm not gonna shoot it. Probably should. Probably drop money, but eh. If this wasn't a demo, I would. We got going on here. Yeah. Handgun ammo. It's a Red Eagle. How do I reload? Wait, can I put that in the gun? B. Oh. X. Interesting. I like how they're using like the same like kind of models and stuff from the OG typewriter. It's in this barrel. Gunpowder. Seems like the crafting from the Resident Evil game is present here. The what was it, 7 that started that? The whole crafting thing? Yeah. I think so. Ugh. Liking the gore too. It's a big ass crow. And try to sneak as best I can. Oh, poor doggo. Is that the doggo supposed to save? No. He's gonna help me fight a giant later. More handgun ammo. I really like what they're doing with this so far. It looks fantastic. Yeah, I know, crouch stand. Boy. Where? Oh, hey. Hey, buddy. Oh, freaking kick him! Yeah! Yeah! You want some too, buddy? Yeah! Oh, that's awesome. I really like the melee changes. That's great. I like all that. That feels familiar. Oh yeah, this sign. That usually means something bad's gonna happen, right? Oh! Bear trap. No, I fell for it.
Damn it.
Am I good? Oh. I can't tell if that did damage or not. I think it did a little bit of damage. Oh, the guy in the house. Alright. Yeah, I hear you, buddy. Gotcha. Get out of here. Oop. That was a great. Yeah. Love it. It sounds like pitas. Pitas? 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 Oh, no hanging lady there. Flash grenade. Change weapons. Oh, okay. It's gonna feel odd to me for at least a little bit because it's like when this comes out fully. Crafting. Register shortcut. Oh, whoops. Sorry, I'm so used to the other game. Craft. Oh, I gotta hold it. Huh. Neat. That's on the hotbar. Unequipped. Okay. Gotcha. Probably want me to use the flash nade, right? Or do I want to save it? I should save it. Oh, is this the way to the village? Let's go. Fight a bunch of dudes at once. Oh yeah, here we go. Yeah, this is very familiar. Yeah, there's the helicopter, dude. Yeah. Interesting, he was already on fire when we get here. And he's already like dead, now he's I get to see that beforehand. Interesting. You know what? I'm gonna start this off with a flashbang. Why not? Fucking go. Get some free kicks in. Yeah. Got one more. Oh, he was dazed, but he was just about to. He just ended it. Yeah. Kick him. Yeah. That's great. That's so cool to see. Jeez, Grandpa, you got that arm. Let's go in here. This is the chainsaw dude.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
Yeah, we should fight these guys off. Gotta get that shotgun though.
Oh, nice.
Right? Hand-aid.
Keep coming.
He's dead. There we go. I was gonna say, please kick that down, Leon. Oh, jeez. I didn't mean to do that. Bashing through windows? That's sick. Oh, I didn't know I could. Woo. Hang on. Jump down. Excuse me. Woo. You guys are all crazy. Have a nade. I don't want to run into the shotgun guy. Or the. Sorry, not shotgun guy. Chainsaw dude. Oh, jeez. Oh. Come on now. Oop, wrong button. Give me that full heal back. Oh, I want to go for that kick so bad, but... Whoa. Really liking the fast pace of this. Oh my god. And until you get your ass kicked. Ooh, where's Chainsaw Bro? There he is. Oh, he's blocking it? That's interesting. Oh, the cow's on fire! Cow, no! Oh boy. Come on now. This is getting crazy. I like it. Oh. Lady, get your hands off me. Oh. Woo. That was really close. Hold on. There's more shotgun ammo up here. If I remember right. I never grabbed in vanilla. Or the OG version. Oh. Fireman breaking? That's interesting. Oh, no. Ladders are safe. Oh, no. Garp. Garp. Oh, this is not good. God damn. It's definitely, I would say, more difficult. Because you have so much going on at once. Chainsaw Bro here? Yeah, he is. Oh, he caught him with the chainsaw. That was cool. Lady. Get out of my way. Oh yeah, there's herbs, isn't there? Green herb. Isn't there a red one over here? No. Shoot. There is a red one. I'm gonna go find it. I'm gonna try to. Oh, chicken egg. Good chainsaw dude's there. He's guarding it. Can I make it? Oh, wait.
Huh?
Oh, come on. Wait. They all stopped.
La campana. Hay que obedecerla.
Él nos invoca.
Really wanted to try to kill the chainsaw guy, but I guess that's not gonna happen. Oh well. That was fun.
Tenemos que servir.
Lord Sadler. Now does he say it? Come on.
Where's everyone going? Bingo?
Yes! Oh, that's awesome. I hope they keep the one-liners, because, like, that's kind of like what made Resident Evil 4. Well, not what made Resident Evil 4 special, but, like, some of the dialogue in RE4 is just amazing like that. I don't know. I like stuff like that. I'm a cheesy guy, I guess you can say, who just likes one-liners. Yeah, no problem. That was actually a lot of fun. You can purchase it there at the online store, yeah. You can play this demo yourself too. I believe it's available on Xbox and PlayStation as well. It's called the Chainsaw Demo. But this was definitely a lot of fun. I am definitely looking forward to this game when it actually officially releases. I love the chaos. That is something I do like a lot. RE4 did have like moments like that where it was chaotic, but like you could just pause your menu anytime and like kind of stop everything in time. Where like that is like way more like hyper focused, like everything's everywhere and wherever you are placed, you know, if people are surrounding you, it actually becomes a lot tougher to survive. I thought I was gonna die there, but Jesus, I got swarmed very quickly. But I hope you enjoy this, and as much as I did, I'm definitely looking forward to this release when it releases. I don't know if I'll be playing this on day one. It depends on my work schedules and everything, but other than that, I hope you dudes enjoy this as much as I did. And I will see you guys next time. If you want to follow my Instagram, in the description below. Discord, artist stuff, it's all down there. I'll see you guys when this game launches too. See you.